this is the overview of what I just got in school during our exchange gift.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the present underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't.
So let's dig into it. First up is this soap, and it says Skin Renew. It is a beauty bar soap. It's from Personal Collection. And it's with emu oil that intensely moisturizes your skin to soothe, trying to reduce skin wrinkles. Beauty bar soap, which prevents the premature appearance of dry lines on your face. It also helps in moisturizing the outer skin for more youthful glow immediately after taking a bath. So wow, but actually my face is already oily, so I will not maybe use this on the face, but on my body, since my body is gonna like, my body skin is gonna like dry compared to my face. So yeah, and it claims to be, doesn't clog pores, and it cleans the skin, so it's itching and inflammation caused by Chinese and pollution. So it's perfect for my body, and it is for a younger looking skin, a refresh fragrance on your skin, a soother and smoother skin. So I believe this is papaya. Next up is this Mentos, which is a rainbow, which is, it doesn't really like red, orange, yellow I believe, then green. There's no blue, so it's not really a rainbow. Flavors are grapes, green apple, strawberry, and then orange, then lemon, then red strawberry, and then we have watermelon. So I love it, but I'm gonna give this to my brother. He loves Mentos, but yeah, I'm just gonna get the Goya, which is the white, there, because I love this dark chocolate. But yeah, next up is this white Goya, which is the mini edition, and it says cream. Wait, the camera is not focusing again. It is cream white chocolate. I love white chocolates, and it is the 15 grams. So it is the mini. So that's cream pie. I'll keep this and this in a towel because the Mentos and this will go to my brother. This one. Next up is this dark chocolate, which is from Goya. I think this is the bittersweet because it's dark. The milky chocolate is, I believe, the one which is sweet. So yeah. Excuse me. Next is the big one. This is actually a towel which has this really gorgeous prints on it. It's kind of like a boho print. It has this patterns, and it has this kind of like waves. Wait. That's it. Let me open it. Now I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna need the help of my leg. It comes with this cartoon. It's folded with a cartoon right here. Wow, it's great. I'm gonna use this for travel. It's gonna be pretty useful for travel. So yeah, I love the print, which is at the other end, so it's kind of stylish. So I love that fact. So yeah, it's the other end, and the other one doesn't have it.